Hello my angels! Finally the tutorial for this look is here and I am prepping my skin by using the glycolic acid toning solution, which is such an important step. And now I'm using all of my favorite products at the moment to moisturize and prep my skin to set a wonderful canvas for my makeup. Brows are done by IT Cosmetics Brow Power and 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. I am priming my lids using the Dior Skin Forever concealer. To set the base, I'm using the Chanel cream bronzer and top it up with Hoola bronzer. And now the star of the show is this Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. This product is incredible. I finished my eyes with a liner and lashes. For foundation, I am mixing the Hourglass Vanish Stick and IT Cosmetics CC Cream. My favorite concealer at the moment is this Kat Von D Lightweight Concealer. It doesn't crease and it's so lightweight. I'm bronzing my skin using the Chanel bronzer and adding color to my cheeks with this Lila B Cream Blush in b.sassy. I top it up with a MAC Mineralize Blush in Stereo Rolls. The highlighting balm from Merit is so beautiful. My lip combo for this look is the Dose of Colors Lip Liner in Truthful and Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick in Caramello. And I top it up with this Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Sweet Mauve, which is so incredible. I hope you all enjoyed the look.